How to change the Gemini voice. This tutorial shows you how to switch up the voice Gemini uses when responding on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, tap the gear icon at the bottom right of the side panel, then tap Settings at the bottom. Once you're in the Settings page, tap Voice to open the voice selection options. Browse through the available voices and tap on any one of them to hear a preview before committing to it. When you find one you like, select it and it will be set as Gemini's default voice going forward. Keep in mind the voice you choose will be used across all of Gemini's spoken responses, so it's worth previewing a few before settling on one. Everyone has a different preference when it comes to tone and pace. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the Gemini voice, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.